Stand it is. Attention. Say to good morning. Stand it is. Attention. Join your hand. Close your eyes. Prayer song. Begin. Order. Stand it is. Attention. Take your pet position.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country, all my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, along life, my happiness.
Order. Stand it is. Today's new thought.
Good morning to all. My name is Devika. I am studying 8th class. Today's new thought. Experience is the best teacher. Experience is the best sister. ಅನುಭವ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುರುವು. Thank you to all.
Today's new word.
Good morning to all. My name is Vanshi. I am studying grade 8th class. Today's new word. Artificial means natural, sahajamaina. I repeat again. Artificial means natural, sahajamaina. Thank you to all.
Today's GK question.
Good morning to all. My name is K. Karthik. I am studying grade 8. Today's GK question. Which is the largest temple in India? భారతదేశంలో అతిపెద్ద దేవాలయం ఏది?
Come on.
Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple. The correct answer is Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple. Thank you, sir.
Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. National anthem. Begin. Assembly dispersed. Order.